As women get older, our hormone levels change, and this can cause symptoms like fatigue, problems losing weight, mood changes, depression. Dr. Melissa Grill Peterson with Optimum Health has an integrative approach to wellness. Welcome to the show. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you. I love being here, Parker, always.
So you and the team at Optimum Health really focus on getting to the root of the problem and not just focusing on treating symptoms. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Absolutely. Today, more and more now than ever, we're dealing with chronic disease. And chronic disease, like you said, the fatigue, they're very general symptoms that are going on. But what's happening are that women are going to their docs and they tell them what symptoms they have. The doc is treating the symptom. It's symptom management. That's how our medical paradigm is set up. But then they go home, they take the medication, 3-6 months later, they're still not feeling good. They go back, hey doc, well, let's adjust the dose. And so it's really just kind of, treating, again, it's spot treatment, putting Band-Aids over. And what we do, what the integrative approach is at Optimum Health, is about really going beneath the surface and saying, what's causing the symptoms? Why isn't the thyroid working? What's happening with the adrenals? What's causing the blood sugar dysregulation that's impacting and imbalancing those hormones, causing that brain fog, the inability to lose the weight? So we are able to cast a wider net because we're both traditional medicine and natural medicine. So we go deep.
Are women just not asking the right questions, or are doctors not looking deep enough?
Well, we're really, that's a whole long discussion in all honesty, because where we're at in medicine is there's a paradigm shift. It's not that women aren't asking the right questions. When they go to their endocrinologist, their primary care, they get only really a few moments with their doctor. And so they can ask the right questions, but the doctor's protocol is still their protocol, which is to write the prescription or to prescribe surgery.
And you and your team address everything. Full body,
yes.
Internally, externally. You look at diet as well, which is always a big factor.
Absolutely. It's really saying what's causing the imbalances, right? So when we look at stressors, that's lifestyle. What are those external triggers? Food, mental, emotional, chemical, environmental, the toxins that are coming in. But we look at very comprehensively everything from food sensitivities. We're looking at adrenals. We're looking at your cortisol levels, at full hormone profiles. We're looking at how your GI is functioning, because your gastrointestinal system is truly the birthplace of the function of many of the other systems within the body. And so again, we just do very, very comprehensive testing, but not just about getting test results. It's to take that information and say, okay, now that we understand the results and what's happening in your lifestyle to perpetuate this, now let's give you a plan, a course of action to actually get you out of crisis and allow your body to heal to correct these problems.
So what are some of the treatments that you do offer at Optimum Health?
Well, there's again many, but the way I describe it the best is that when you've got these symptoms, whether you're struggling with thyroid, you're really feeling like your hormones are out of balance, you're having chronic GI, or you've got an autoimmune problem, you just have joint pain, you don't know what's happening, what's causing it, your hair is falling out. These are all signs and symptoms that the body is out of balance. So step one is we're going to test. We're going to dig deep. We're going to find root cause. Step two is, like I said, the way we treat it is going to be through, depending on test results, a variety of modalities, but at the center of it is lifestyle. It's really coaching, it's counseling, it's supporting, sometimes it's taking you through detoxes, complete nutritional programs, and stress reduction programs. It's all about getting the mind and the body right and back in balance.
And when those treatments are successful, we spoke to one of your patients, and it was like after trying to diet and doing the exercise and nothing was changing, she still wasn't losing the weight, she was still feeling depressed and badly about herself. Once she started feeling better, everything changes.
That's exactly right. When we get our house right, then we show up more present, more fully, more vibrantly in our relationships, our careers, right? So it does impact everything within our life when we get our health in order.
You have so many success stories.
We do.
And where can people go for more information, Dr. Melissa?
Great question. Visit us online at www.optimumhealthrehab.com. We've got 8 locations around the city, so it really enables us to really help everybody out there in need.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having us.
And for more information on Optimum Health, you can also log on to AtlantaPluggedIn.com.